Russian Comedy TV.
So anyways, babes, I love you so much. I born and cheap you. I'm not getting right no more. You see me? Yeah. But anyways, babes, right now, yeah, right now more peace right now, so we can talk about it later.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Dear babes, later, see later, link your back. You see me? Right now more PB. Really bad, more peace. Yeah? Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
love you.
Love you too.
Yo, say that idiot girl in man, every time she come and stress man. Yo, I left that girl in them. Can't bother with her now. Yo, boss a piece right there saying that.
Yes, man. Yeah, watch you man, you carry no more peace, and because them man no more peace now. Come over here. Peace, you not ready then? You come more peace. Yo, I'm come peace right now. No, more peace, no man.
Yo, what kind of thing that, brother? Eh? You can't piece yourself, brother. You can't piece yourself. And the tree that to you.
What you mean by brother? More leg on my peace, brother.
No business about that, brother. You think we are highlight for your yard for highlight? Eh, brother?
Peace for my
Eh, for my brother. Your piece smell worse than African don't, brother.
You must be joking, my brother. I can't
I'm not joke. I'm not joking, my brother.
peace. Ain't no more peace. So how come next week peace around the sun? You can't tell nothing, my brother.
Fish.
I can't tell nothing, my peace, my brother.
Yo. What tell us, brother?
What? Yo, me have business.
Big up his farm, my dad, nobody. And I mean, give them oxygen.
No, peace, no, man. You can't tell me. Yeah, man. Figure your brother. You can't tell me nothing. Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Rasheen. I'm back again, guys. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and also comment. And here's my social media where you can contact me. Instagram, Rasheen TV. Yeah, new videos coming out soon. Remember this, success is a must.